Hey everyone, Chef Ben here from Giant Eagle, and today I'm going to be talking about how nuts are great for the holiday season. Whether you're entertaining, sharing, or giving them as gifts, they're very versatile and make a great snack. Today, I'm going to be making my favorite recipe, holiday spice nuts. It's quick and simple and makes your house smell of that wonderful aroma that instantly makes you think of the holiday season. Let's get started. To make the holiday spice nuts, we're going to start with 1/4 cup of water, add 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a drop of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a spice mixture containing 1/2 tablespoon of cardamom, 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, and about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Stir this mixture until the sugar dissolves. Now that our mixture is reduced, we're going to add in our nuts. 1 cup of almonds, 1/2 cup of pecans, and 1/2 cup of cashews. You can use any nut variety you like in this recipe. Stir the nuts so they are completely covered with the sugar mixture. Allow this mixture to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring consistently. Make sure you're scraping down the sides of the pan. Once the mixture starts to bubble and you see the caramelization around the pan, you want to now remove the pan from the heat and continue to stir for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir the nuts vigorously until the liquid turns into a solid and the nuts will start to candy. You'll notice the mixture will start to thicken and start to stick to the nuts. Make sure you continuously stir this until the nuts start to appear dry. Now that the water has evaporated and the sugar is stuck to the nuts, we're going to remove this from the pan and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. To finish off our holiday spice nuts, we're going to drizzle them with a little bit of dark chocolate and white chocolate. Allow them to cool for at least 15 minutes before enjoying. And here we have our holiday spice nuts. Be sure to share this with your friends and family and have a safe and happy holiday season.